Today I am going to discuss addressing mode of 8085. Some of the instructions are used to copy or transfer data from a source to a destination. The source or the destination both may have register, memory, or ports. There are various formats to specify operands for instruction. The different techniques of specifying data and called the addressing modes. The addressing modes used in the 8085 microprocessor is below: immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, and implied addressing mode. At first, immediate addressing mode. Immediate data is transferred to address or register. Example, MVI A20H. MVI move immediate the data 28 to A for accumulator. This is the immediate operation. This is the immediate addressing mode. Either 2 or 3 byte long. 1 byte is opcode, second byte 8-bit data. This is the 2-byte instruction. Suppose STA 2040H. That store the content of (2040H) to accumulator. This is the 3-byte instruction. The STA is the opcode and 2040H is the 16-bit memory address. This is also immediate addressing mode. Then register addressing mode. Data transfer from one register to another register. Move A, C. Move the content of C register to accumulator. This is 1-byte instruction. 1 byte is opcode. Next, direct addressing mode. LDA C200H. L for load, D for direct, A for accumulator. C200H is memory address. The load, direct load the content of C200H to accumulator. This is also 3-byte instruction. Next, indirect addressing mode. Move A, M. Data is transfer address pointed by the data in the register to other register or vice versa, or memory. Move the content of memory to accumulator. Is it clear? Then the example, move M, A. The content of A to move memory. Here, the content of A, at first, the content of A 30H. 30H, the content of accumulator. At first, it is go through the 2050H. 2050H is the memory and HL, that it is the indirect addressing, register addressing mode. Next, the implied addressing mode. This does not require any operand. The data is specified in opcode itself. RAL, rotate left without carry. This is here for with carry, without carry. Number of bytes 1. These are single byte instruction or opcode only. This is all over of the addressing mode of 8085 microprocessor. Thank you.